Most guys screw themselves over in the first 5 seconds of meeting a woman, not because they're bad looking, not because they're awkward, but because of this one tragic mindset mistake. They don't assume she's already into them. Lacking that mindset makes guys walk up to women like beggars. Today I'm going to burn that virus out of your brain forever. I'm going to give you the single most powerful frame a man can operate from in dating. A frame that makes you magnetic. I'm talking instant sexual gravity. And the second you lock this in, women feel it before you even open your mouth. Back when I first started cold approaching girls, I'd be walking into a bar, chest tight, brain fogged with thoughts like, okay, don't mess this up. Be cool. Be funny. Don't say something weird. Maybe she will like you. Bruh. I might as well have had, I hope I'm good enough, tattooed on my forehead. That's how most guys show up. Like they're on trial. Like they need to perform. Like the girl's the judge, the jury, and the freaking executioner. But here's the truth. When you walk up to a woman with the mindset of I already got her, she feels it. She doesn't know why, but it flips a primal switch. You ever heard of assume the sale in business? Same principle. Top closers don't walk into a meeting thinking maybe they'll land the deal. They walk in like the contract is already signed, and they're just confirming the handshake. In dating, we call this assume the attraction and compliance. When you assume she is attracted to you, everything changes. Let me paint this for you. You're sitting at a rooftop bar, golden hour sun bleeding over the skyline. She walks in, tight black dress, no bra. Now, what do most guys do? They panic. They freeze up. They start calculating instead of connecting. Do I make a joke? Is that creepy? Should I compliment her? What if she thinks I'm weird? Bro, stop. That's the energy of a man trying to earn her approval. But when you assume the attraction, everything changes. You don't panic. You're already in. You're already the man who has her. So what do? You smirk and say, damn, looks like someone hates bras. Bold move. I respect it. She laughs. Boom. Tension shattered, comfort established, and the whole interaction just got 10x more fun, flirtatious and real. Why? Because she's not meeting the performer version of you. She's meeting the unedited, unfiltered, undeniable you. Here's what most guys don't understand about women. They've got hypersensitive congruence detectors. They can tell immediately if you're putting on an act. You think you're being slick. You think you're gaming her. She thinks you're insecure and trying too hard. Women don't fall for men who are perfect. They fall for men who are present. So when you show up with no filter, not in a sloppy or reckless way, but as your real confident, relaxed self, she's like, finally, a man who isn't scared of me. Let me say that again. She's tired of guys who are scared of her, scared to touch, scared to tease, scared to be bold. So the next time you go on a date, treat her like you've already hooked up before. Because if you were already hooking up with her, would you worry about what joke to tell? Would you analyze your every move? Would you wonder if you're allowed to sexualize? Hell no. You'd flirt. You'd tease. You'd be playful. You'd let the real you come out to play. But what if she doesn't like it? Great question. Let me make this clear. You're not being a jerk. You're not being aggressive or disrespectful. You're simply showing up as the guy who knows he's already won. Now let's say you misread something. You go too far. She doesn't like the joke. She flinches at the tease. No problem. Be respectful to her and just do what the top 1% of men do. Calibrate after the fact. Oh, that came out wrong. I swear I'm not usually this terrible at flirting. Laugh, reset, move forward. That's the game, not perfection. Adaptation. Guys always ask, what if I run out of things to say? What if I don't know how to flirt? What if I can't escalate? But when you're assuming attraction, you don't need a script. You're not walking on eggshells. You're flowing, present, unfiltered, sensual when it feels right. And when you bring that vibe, she opens up. She leans in. She mirrors you. Because confidence is contagious and authenticity is magnetic. So here's the challenge. Next time you approach or go on a date, walk in with this in your mind and body. I got her already. Not hope, not maybe, certainty. And you'll be shocked how much more attraction you create without trying. Now, if you are serious about improving your dating life, if you want more dates with the women you actually want, in 2025, dating apps are the fastest and easiest way, if you know how to use them right. I built a full course called Dating Apps Cheat Codes. It breaks down everything from pictures to texting to closing the date. Links in the description. Check it out if you're serious about leveling up. If you enjoyed the content of this video, Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Talk soon. Stay sharp.